Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to show you how to change the engine air filter on this 2023 Honda Odyssey. It's going to apply from 2018 all the way to 2025. Let's get to it. Alright, so what we need to do, the first step is actually open up the hood. So your hood latch is right here. Now we'll go up to the hood. Alright, so now we're going to go, the hood should be lifted up, just lift it up a little bit. Then there's a latch right here, so we're going to stick our hand right in the middle, or kind of to the side here. There's a, we're going to lift up, just like that. And we'll put our hood up. There's two positions. I feel like the easiest one to give us more headspace is going to be the second position here. This is your standard. This is service position, so we'll unlatch this. The hood will go all the way up. So if you're tall, you won't hit your head on that in that position. And then here's where the engine air filter is. This is the air box. There's going to be 3 clips. One here, and then a sneaky one back here. So all you have to do is just pull forward. And then we'll do the same here for this one. Okay, and then just carefully lift it up because there's 2 tabs that lock into the air box. So we're just going to lift it up at an angle. Okay, and then that's that clip that we were referring to earlier. So you just pull it out towards the firewall. And then what you'll do is just go ahead and replace the filter. We'll remove it and then replace it. We replaced it before. Just wanted to show you how to do it. It's pretty much impossible to put it in the wrong way. So if I try to turn it and insert it, it won't go all the way in. And usually the deeper part goes down to the bottom. So I'll go ahead and reinsert that there. These are the 2 tabs that the airbox, the top of the airbox goes. So these tabs go into these little holes. So what we have to do is we have to line those up. So we're going to go at an angle. Okay. Kind of pull forward a little bit, and then just make sure that it's all the way down. We'll push it down. You'll know it's correct, and everything, the fitment is correct when you can see it, no gaps. So we'll just go use our finger, put it like that. Lift. You're using your thumb, lifting it while you're pulling it in, and then we'll do the same for the back one. That's it. We're done. Thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we just showed you how to change the engine air filter on this 2023 Honda Odyssey. So again, this is going to apply from 2018 all the way to 2025. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.